Yesterday we saw an inauguration of a president that was of the billionaires, by the billionaires, and for the billionaires. And here in the state of Connecticut, we're going to make sure that we continue to focus of the people, by the people, and for the people, which is why we have these bills today and why we'll continue to roll out legislation that impacts working families, working people for the positive all across the state of Connecticut. On Senate Bill 3, it's a bill that last year passed the state Senate. It got hung up in the House. We hope to get it across the finish line in both chambers this year. But it does a number of things that are very important, which I'll let Senator Maroney talk about. But I wanted to just highlight one of the aspects, which Senator Looney highlighted as well, which is expanded powers that allow the state to look at price gouging more up the line than currently is allowed. This caucus last year, Senator Looney and I, with many members of our caucus, were the first to talk about price gouging and excessive prices at grocery stores and to lead an investigation into that area. Since then, it has really become a national issue. Grocery prices and the fact that we found that 75% of meat is controlled by maybe 3 companies, chicken the same, and we saw that we see this consolidation of power, and we need to make sure that we are investigating and we're standing up for the people of the state when it and not allow misinformation to get to them as well. So we'll continue to fight for that. We'll continue to fight for right to repair. We'll continue to fight for other issues that are so important in this legislation. So I want to thank Senator Maroney for his work on this. I want to thank Senator Anwar for his work on Senate Bill 7, which are really important public health issues. He has taken these issues and really been able to get them across the finish line over the years. But I also think it's important, again, in the context of yesterday, is the fact that we have to make sure that we are using all avenues to affect change. In some ways, some of these we'll see, we can't always impact all the things we want to have. Sometimes we need to impact things by conversations. Sometimes we use our bully pulpit. Sometimes we use the power of changing the laws, and that's in which ways we do things. And many people know in this room that we have been fighting with especially even our cable companies, and we have been fighting them because they are abandoning their customers in either price increases or shutting people off in their channels, and banning them when it comes to even such things as double poles in our neighborhood. So I want to make sure that we are using all tools necessary, especially as we enter this new administration, that we use our voices, we use our bully pulpits, we use our power of changing laws, because that is what we are here for. We're here to change things for the positive, for the people we represent. Thank you very much.